Yeah, good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Excellent Money is. Today we are going to learn how to use depreciation method in Excel. We will learn first the straight line and WDV, also called as declining balance method. So we will take one example and calculate the two method of depreciation, and I will show you which formula you use and two different condition. Let's go to our screen. You can see here one example of state and method of depreciation. First, let me explain what is the mean of a state line method. State line method means the assets which will be going to depreciate equally for the life of the assets. Like if you buy any assets and you depreciate equally, like these assets will last long 5 years, then you have to divide by 5 and equally you distribute. Now let's see one example. One of the initial cost of the machine is $500,000. Salvage value means the as when the assets when we are going to sell, that is, and the value where we can get from the and lifetime of the years. This straight line method, these assets last long for 10 years. We are going to go for the formula. Okay, now we are going to choose this. Salvage is here, so we are going to choose this one, and life is 10 years. Okay, now put okay. That is $47,000, 47,500 each year for 10 years. For this one we have to put, because this, if I put this one as a down arrow key, it will not go, because we have to fix the cells. Now for fixing cells, here control F4, F4 for dollar sign, and F4. Now arrow key down. You can see every year if we depreciate this assets, we have to use the depreciation $47,500 for next 10 years. This method called straight line method means straight. You can see straight means equally. That is the straight line method. Now we are going to learn. With written down value method, either decline balance method. Decline balance method. Let me give example of decline balance method. Decline balance method means, I'm giving one example. The initial cost of one machine is $200,000. Salvage value of $10,000, and this machine will work for next 6 years. And every year the depreciation figure will be not same. It's supposed to be change year to year. That is, but means written down means the balance from first year full, second year reduce depreciation, and then chart depreciation. This method called the decline balance method. Now let me show you this one. Go for formula. Either you can choose, but for proper learning purpose, now which formula we are going to use? Financial DC DB, decline balance DB. Okay. Now cost is $200,000. Salvage is $10,000. Life is six, and period Now, what period we supposed to take? This for first year. We are taking 1. DS no month. Put OK. First year depreciation will be $78,600. Now go for second, but before going second, we are going to use for because decline every year. First, go here. Now DB for second year. First, use dollar sign, control if function plus this one, comma, Salvage F4, comma, life F4, comma, this figure because that is the second year. Okay. Second year 47,710 and 20 ceilings. Now you can for the 6 year this will go. You can see here for the first year for $78,600, 47 second year 47,710.20 and third year $28,960.09, 17,578.78 and fifth year 10,670.32 and last year when the assets we are going to sell is $6,476.88. Now let's go because this situation when applicable when we assume the machine we buy on first date of the year, like 1st of January, like here accounting year start from 1st January to 31st of December. Some like in India they use the accounting year 1st of April to 31st of March next year. I'm taking example we are using the accounting year 1st January to 31st of December. Now let's give example because this depreciation work when the first year we buy the machine on 1st of January. Now assume here I give one situation. Let me make it bold here. The assets we buy on 1st of July instead of 1st of January. Which for let's use there the formula little bit change. Use the DB cost. Let's go up a cost, comma, Salvage cost, Salvage value, life, period. Now here last time we taken 1 but this time we are not taking 1. This time okay, this time we are also taking 1 and the month because this time from July to December only 6 months this assets use. July, August, September, October, November and December. So we use 6 months here and okay. First year depreciation figure will be $39,300. Come for the second year. Second year this assets use completely. So what we are going to use EB, DB, the cost of the machine second year, control function F4, it will convert in dollar, comma, the Salvage value F4, comma, the lifetime F4, comma, this bracket close. Second year the depreciation for this assets with $47,000 710. Now because I put the dollar sign, so the upper data figure will be fixed. Dollar sign is figure fixed. Now you go for 6 year, the depreciation came. You can see very easy here. Let me make it minimize so easy to understand. Here first year figure is $78,600 and this year is 39,300. Why? Because that first in first case we buy the assets on 1st of January, but in second case we buy the assets on 1st of July. You can take any date, like you can take February, you can take March, then depreciation figure will be changed. But then for next year assets is going to use for whole year. The upper next year is also for next for the whole year. So other years depreciation figure will be same, but the first year, because first year we are not using the assets whole year, the depreciation figure will be changed. I think you understand this formula well. I will give this formula in my description box. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much.